Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be using some scrap maple to make a foot roller on the lathe. This is a video that was inspired from a recent Rex Krueger video, which I'll link below. He made a bunch of these on his lathe and it kind of inspired me to make one for myself to help treat some foot pain that I've been having. So if you want to make a simple project on a lathe, this is the perfect project for you. This simple project turned out great. I'm very happy with the design, and it really does help alleviate the foot pain I've been having. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. Thank you.